In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Xbox Elite Controller joystick. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy-to-follow instructions on how to properly clean and fix any issues attributed to the joysticks on your Xbox Elite controller. Keep in mind that this process is also going to work for the standard Xbox controller, so even if you don't have the Elite model, you can still follow along generally with the same steps to get this done. So for the first solutions, these are going to be very basic. And before you attempt anything physical, I highly recommend power cycling the controller. So press and hold the Xbox button to power it off, power it back on again, and then see if that fixes your issue. Oftentimes, this can be associated with software trouble, so I would highly recommend just trying to power cycle it just to be sure. If it works, you don't even have to open it up or clean it thoroughly. But if it doesn't work, then you will have to use some specific products. So first, I would highly recommend using compressed air and isopropyl alcohol. Make sure that it is as pure as possible and it is used for electronics. This one will evaporate fast and you won't have any issues with water or any sort of chemical lying around in your controller. So always try to use the purest alcohol that you can find. Now, you will be able to put the alcohol and the compressed air in this slight gap on your joystick. So you will have the joystick, and all that you have to do is make sure that you spray it thoroughly with the compressed air and maybe some cotton swabs with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure that you try to get the gap in between the joysticks. Oftentimes, hair, debris, and other things can get caught into this hole. So by cleaning it thoroughly, you will ensure that the joystick isn't having any sort of trouble or drift. After you do this superficially, see if it works. If it doesn't work, then you will have to clean it more thoroughly. So to clean the joystick very thoroughly, you will have to open up the controller. For the Elite model, you don't have to undo any sort of screw. You simply pry it open using something like a butter knife or anything that you have that is able to be put into these gaps on the controller, and then just pry it up. There is some adhesive, so just keep trying, and eventually the front cover will come off. Once you have removed the front cover, you will notice that it is being held together by these little things here. So it is going to automatically close itself down once you are done. And with the controller open, you can now do the exact same thing. However, you can do a deeper cleaning. So make sure that you use the compressed air and the isopropyl alcohol once more, but this time try to get every single area around the joystick. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Xbox Elite Controller joystick. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.